How to add a passkey in Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your account more secured. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now here on the right top, tap on settings. Now we're in this settings interface. Slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called security and privacy. Simply tap on security and privacy. Here, you'll be able to find the option called ways you can log in. Simply tap on it, and here on the bottom there's an option called Add Passkey. Tap on Add Passkey. So here you can create your own passkey or even create it automatically through Google, and later simply tap on continue and save your Bumble account. So what it does is it makes your account more secure, and later passkey works as a password too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.